In today's video, we are going to share exactly which LLC formation service is better, ZenBusiness or Tailor Brands. Now, there are many different business formation services out there, but these are just two of the popular ones. In this video, we're going to share what a business formation service is, why you might need one to help you set up your LLC, and we'll go over the pros and cons of both ZenBusiness and Tailor Brands. We're also going to discuss some of the features that differentiate each platform from its competitors, like pricing, ease of use, and customer service. Now, before we get into an overview of these two platforms, let's discuss what LLC formation services do and how they work. LLC formation services can help you set up your LLC faster and easier than you would otherwise be able to do if you filed it online at your respective state website. Another good reason to use an LLC formation service is that they aren't much more expensive than it would cost you to file yourself. And actually, many of the LLC formation services offer a free option as well. Where these companies actually make money are the additional services they offer, like an EIN number, an operating agreement, and a registered agent service. Now, for a couple of these add-ons, it's going to be helpful that you go through your LLC formation service to do them instead of dealing with a headache on your own. A registered agent service is an example of an additional service that we recommend you get with your LLC formation service. For between $99 and $300 per year, you can have a company act as your professional business address. This is going to help keep your private records off the public domain so that you don't have to register your residential address as your business address. Now, we won't go into too much detail here because we have a bunch of other videos on the channel that we talk about this specific topic. We'll be sure to leave those linked down below in the description if you want more information on those. Okay, so now that you know what an LLC formation does and why you might want it, let's cover some of the main features of ZenBusiness and Tailor Brands. So we'll leave our special links for both of these platforms down below in the description. Let's go ahead and click the ZenBusiness one and we can walk through their features together. Once you've clicked the ZenBusiness platform, it should bring you to a page that's similar to this. And if you scroll down to the bottom here, we can see all three of their different plans. So they have the starter plan for $0. So you can actually get started with the starter plan for free. The pro plan is $199 a year, and the premium plan is $349. In the starter plan, you get standard LLC filing, 100% accuracy guarantee, and worry-free compliance. This just makes sure that you maintain compliance with all state, federal, and local regulations. This service is actually $199 per year, but for the first year with the starter plan, you get it for free. The pro plan includes all of the starter plan features as well as the following: an operating agreement, ZenBusiness's fastest filing speed, and an EIN number, which is basically the social security number for your business. And with the premium plan, you get everything in the previous two plans and the following: business documents, a business website builder, a domain name with privacy, and a business email address. ZenBusiness actually offers a couple different formation services. The first one is an LLC. They also offer S Corp election, corporation, and DBAs or doing business as. Let's get right into the different packages. As you'll notice, ZenBusiness's website is very easy to use. It's extremely beginner friendly and it has a very clean look to the website. And also, one of their unique features is this worry-free compliance that's free for 1 year with their starter pack. Now, we're not going to do a complete walkthrough of the ZenBusiness platform because we have other videos on the channel that we'll leave linked down below in the description that you can check out where we go through the whole process for you. But in today's video, we're just going to highlight some of the features of these platforms to compare the two. Now that we've seen some of the features on ZenBusiness's platform, let's talk about Tailor Brands. Tailor Brands does LLC formation, but they also are a one-stop shop for any of your business needs. This includes logo creation, web design. They also have a design studio and a bunch of other tools for all of your business needs. So once you've clicked on that link below, it'll bring you to the Tailor Brands page here. Let's go ahead and enter our state here and get started. Next, I can go ahead and enter the name of my business here. Now, we're going to skip ahead here. We won't walk through the entire thing. Like we said, we have other videos on the channel for Tailor Brands that show you how to set up your LLC. We just want to show you the pricing page, so let's just go ahead and skip ahead now. Once you've gone through the process here, it brings you to a page where it shows you the three different plans. So they have a light plan, an essential plan, and an elite plan. The light plan is free. The essential plan is $199 per year, and the elite plan is $249 per year. Let's start with the light plan. The light plan just includes your business formation. It's free, but there aren't any other additional services that they provide. With the essential plan, you get legal compliance as well as 2-day expedited processing. They're also going to help you establish your operating agreement. And with the elite plan, you really get everything under the sun. You get everything in the essential plan as well as a domain and website. And there's a bunch of other tools in this plan that will help you build your business. Some of them are the 8 free logos, the digital business card, the social media post maker, and the business card tools. This is a great all-in-one plan if you're looking to just go to one place to have everything done for you. And what's unique about Tailor Brands platform is that they ask you a bunch of questions throughout the process to make sure that they personalize the plan just for you. Let's briefly just talk about the ease of use and customer experience for both of these platforms. As you can see, ZenBusiness is really great for beginners. The platform is very simple and extremely intuitive to figure out. They don't ask you a lot of questions when you go through the process, whereas Tailor Brands does. Their process is a little bit more in depth and their pricing isn't as easy to navigate. They just have a lot of additional options that they offer as add-ons. And their interface is a little bit more clunky. It's a little bit less clean. In terms of customer support, both platforms have really great reviews from third-party sources like Trustpilot. And both customer support teams generally are open about the same number of hours, so you're not going to have a problem there when you're trying to reach out to them. Let's get on to discuss both the pros and cons of ZenBusiness and Tailor Brands. Let's go back to the ZenBusiness platform here, and if we scroll down all the way to the bottom under company, ZenBusiness actually has this really neat compare ZenBusiness tool. Let's start with the pros for ZenBusiness. The first one is affordability. ZenBusiness is known to be a great option for the budget-conscious entrepreneur. Because of their cost-effective packages, it's a great option when you're just getting started. The second pro is customer satisfaction. They boast some of the highest customer satisfaction rates in the industry despite only being open since 2015. They also have a 60-day refund policy, which is great to keep in mind too. The third is worry-free compliance. This worry-free compliance package is one of their biggest selling points. They're going to make sure that you meet all federal, state, and local regulations to be sure that you're not fined. This is a great option if you don't want to worry about paperwork and filings and just focus on growing your business. Fourth is fast processing times. With that pro plan, they really have one of the fastest processing times in the business. This is going to be crucial if you're trying to get your LLC started in a hurry and you need to do it fast. And lastly is their super easy and clean interface and website. This is one of the reasons why ZenBusiness is one of our favorite platforms, is because of how easy it is to navigate. Let's talk about some of the cons of ZenBusiness. The first one is that they're a lesser known brand. They're really the new kid on the block. They were only started in 2015, so they don't have the same reputation that spans 20 years like some of these other platforms. And the second is the limited range of legal services. Other platforms like LegalZoom and Busy have options for legal counsel, but ZenBusiness really doesn't offer that. Now, that might not be a big deal, especially if you're just starting out and you're in an industry that's a little bit less litigious. Now let's talk about some of the pros of Tailor Brands. The main pro for Tailor Brands is that it can be your all-in-one platform for growing your business. With their Elite plan, they have great tools for building your website as well as making logos and business cards. Another great thing about Tailor Brands is that they offer operating agreements for only an additional $29. Other platforms like LegalZoom and ZenBusiness offer this for $99. Now, depending on your state, an operating agreement isn't going to be required, but it's a good thing to have. Another thing that's affordable on Tailor Brands' website is the expedited processing fee. They offer this service for only $49, which is pretty low compared to its competitors. Now let's talk about some of the cons of Tailor Brands. The first one is that none of their plans include a registered agent service. That's going to be an additional charge. The second is that their website lacks a user-friendly experience. As you go through the setup process, you'll see that there's a lot of questions that get a little bit confusing, and there's a bunch of additional services that they offer. So navigating the process is just a little bit challenging, especially for beginners. And the last con for Tailor Brands is that it's a little bit expensive when compared to its competitors, but that might be justified for you, especially if you're getting that Elite plan with all the other business tools that it offers. So which one should you choose? Tailor Brands is good if you're looking for a one-stop shop for everything involving your business, but it's not going to be good if you need a registered agent or an EIN service, because they don't offer those in any of their plans. You have to pay an additional price for each of those. Also, the basic package doesn't include articles of organization paperwork, so you're going to have to do that separately. And lastly, the website is a little bit challenging, especially for beginners to navigate. So that's why we think that ZenBusiness is the clear winner here. They have clear and transparent pricing, their website is amazingly easy to use, and it's a great place for beginners to get started. Because their pricing isn't as complex as Tailor Brands, their setup process is so easy and super smooth. And that's why we think, especially if you're just getting started out, that ZenBusiness is going to be the right option for you. It has the perfect balance of great features, ease of use, and great affordability. That's all we have for you today for our comparison of ZenBusiness and Tailor Brands. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more content like this in the future, please leave us a like and subscribe down below. We're going to leave all the resources that we talked about in today's video in the description down below, so be sure to check those out. And if you do use our link to ZenBusiness or Tailor Brands, we will get a small referral fee at no additional cost to you. That really helps us keep creating free videos like this for you, so thank you so much in advance for using those. Also, this channel is dedicated to providing entrepreneurs and business owners like yourself with free videos and tutorials like this one to help you start and grow your business. So thank you so much for watching. We wish you the best on your entrepreneurship journey, and we will see you in the next video.